How to check login activity on YouTube TV. Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video, we'll discuss how to check the login activity for your YouTube TV account. Since your YouTube TV subscription is tied to your Google account, checking your login activity involves reviewing the recent activity on your Google account itself. Let's find out where to look. To check the login activity for your YouTube TV account, you need to access the security and activity settings for your Google account. This is where Google records where your account has been used to sign in. Open a web browser on a computer or mobile device and go to myaccount.google.com. Make sure you are signed in to the Google account that is used for your YouTube TV subscription. Once you are on your Google account page, navigate to the security section. This is usually found in the left-hand menu or as a prominent option on the main page. Click on Security. In the Security section, look for a section labeled Your Devices or Recent Security Events. Under Your Devices, you can see a list of devices where your Google account is currently signed in. Clicking on Manage Devices will give you a more detailed list of devices that have recently accessed your account, including the approximate location and the last time the account was active on that device. This list will include devices where you have used YouTube TV. Review this list for any devices or locations that you don't recognize. Under Recent Security Events, you can see a log of recent security-related actions on your account, such as new sign-ins, password changes, or security setting modifications. Look for entries related to new sign-in and check the details to see the device and location of the sign-in. While it won't specifically say YouTube TV login, a sign-in to your Google account on a streaming device or smart TV where you use YouTube TV would be reflected here. If you see any unfamiliar devices or sign-in locations in your Google account activity, it's recommended to immediately secure your account by changing your password and enabling two-step verification if you haven't already. You can also sign out of individual devices remotely from the Manage Devices section. We hope this video helped you understand how to check login activity for your YouTube TV account by reviewing your Google account security settings. If you found this information useful, please give the video a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful security tips.